So I'm here to do a video for a video review for the V-Tool True Wireless Earbuds. I just got them in earlier today. I've been using them most of the day, so here is part of my tutorial or my review. So this is what they look like. They come in this cool casing, charging case. They come with extra sets of earbuds, and they come with a charger and a little small manual. So they also come with protectors over the battery. So I left one on so you guys can see, so that they're not just erroneously charging during travel. I took the one off of this already just to show you guys how when you put the earbuds back in the case, they automatically start charging. So it tells you how much battery life you have, and it starts charging on that side. So I like these because they have this, the way that the the little earpiece here fits into the ear. It's like when you put it on, it fits inside and down the ear canal. So it makes like a nice secure fit so that you can hear the sound. They're actually really small too. They're not that big. The other cool thing I liked about these is once you put both ears on, you can't hear anything around you. So if you're working out at the gym and you just want to be to yourself, like these are like a really, really cool set to use. The sound quality was really, really awesome. I truly enjoyed it. The only thing I don't know for sure is how long they last, because again, I've only had them today, but I've worn them for a couple of hours and they were at 100% when I got them, and they're only down to 92%. So kind of gives you a gaze of how long they last. But I would highly recommend these, particularly if you are a runner or a gym rat and you like to be, like to have a set in your ears that don't fall off when you're working out. These would be perfect for that.
Very nice. You can even see the left earbud right there. You can see the rights right there. VEAT00L. These things are awesome. That's what they look like in there.